One of the real nice tax benefits of owning your own business is the ability to hire family members, including your children. And of course, if you're going to do this, you need to make sure that this is a legitimate job, that you're paying them a reasonable wage, and that the work that they're doing is reasonable for their particular age and their competence. But the interesting thing with the tax court and with the IRS in general is that there's no minimum age for your child. So there's no reason why, if you had a 2-month-old baby and you were going to take a photograph to use for your business, that you couldn't then pay some compensation to that child. Now, obviously, for most of our businesses, we're not going to be employing our children until they reach a certain age where they're able to do the job. And in writing several books, I went back through a lot of the tax court cases, and the youngest that I could come up with as far as a quote-unquote job was a 7-year-old that was assisting his father in working at a trailer park or a mobile home park, in doing some clerical type stuff and cleanup type stuff that was perfectly appropriate for a 7-year-old. And I think as long as you make the work itself age appropriate, so if you have a 10-year-old, make sure it's something that a 10-year-old can do, and you pay a reasonable wage. Don't go out and pay a lot of money to your child just to get a big tax deduction, because it is something that the IRS looks at. But understand that employing your kids or other family members in your business is perfectly valid, it's perfectly legitimate, as long as you follow the tax rules associated with it. I found the Tax Organizer app to be very important for a lot of my clients. It helps them keep their records together, keeps them organized, and that's why we're making the Tax Organizer app available for you as a free download. All you need to do is click below and try it out for yourself. You have nothing to lose.